Hello students, I am Dr. Anita Sharma. Today I am going to explain one of the important topics of coordination chemistry, that is applications of trans effect. So let's begin. Coordination chemistry paper 302 semester 5. In my previous video I have already explained trans effect. So in this video I am going to explain applications of trans effect. So there are two types of applications of trans effects: synthetic applications and analytical applications. In synthetic applications, we will learn how we can use trans effect in synthesis of different compounds, and in analytical applications, we will learn how to analyze different compounds with the help of trans effect. So using trans effect, different isomers can be obtained only from one complex. For example, bromo, chloro, amine, pyridine, platinum, second complex. In the reaction between tetrachloroplatinate and ammonia, bromine and pyridine, if the order of attacking group is changed during substitution reactions, different isomers can be prepared that we will see here. So this is the first example where we have taken tetrachloroplatinate. Here 4 chlorine ligands are attached with platinum, and since all chlorine atoms are same, their trans effect also will be same. So any one chlorine atom will be substituted by ammonia here. So now you can see ammonia gets attached here, and now we will compare the trans effect of ammonia and chlorine. Since the trans effect of chlorine is more than ammonia, so in second part when bromine reacts with this compound, so in this substitution reaction, either this chlorine or this chlorine will be substituted, because this chlorine is trans to this chlorine and this chlorine is transly placed with this chlorine. So we will get this compound. Now in this compound, you can see here when pyridine is reacting with this compound, we will compare the trans effect of chlorine, bromine and ammonia. Since the trans effect of bromine is maximum, so that the chlorine which is placed trans to this bromine will be substituted by pyridine. So this will be removed and pyridine will attack here. Here red circles shows the lability of different ligands. So whatever ligand is going to be labile is shown by this red circle. So by this process, when we are using the order of ligand ammonia, bromine and pyridine, we are getting first isomer. So now on changing the order of these ligands, we will get second isomer. That also we have to understand. So the complex is same, that is tetrachloroplatinate. First pyridine is reacting here. So in this substitution, pyridine attack here, and you can see the figure. Now the trans effect of pyridine and chlorine we compare, and the trans effect of chlorine is more than pyridine, so that either this chlorine or this chlorine will be removed by this incoming bromine. So here you can see this is bromine, pyridine and chlorine. Now we have to compare the trans effect of chlorine, bromine and pyridine. So the trans effect of bromine is maximum. So the element or ligand which is placed to trans to bromine will be removed, and we will get this second isomer. So in this process you can understand, if our substrate is same but the incoming ligands, order of incoming ligand is different, we will get different isomers with the help of trans effect. So second example of trans effect is formation of cis and trans isomer of square planar complex of platinum. So we will see the example here. Here you can see this is the example of square planar complex of platinum, tetrachloroplatinate. Since all ligands are same, their trans effect also will be same. So that when C2H4 reacts with this compound, any one of the chlorine atoms will be removed. So here you can see here this C2H4 is placed here. Now we compare the trans effect of chlorine and C2H4. Since the trans effect of C2H4 is more than chlorine, so the ligand which is trans to the C2H4 will be removed, and here you can see this ammonia will come here. Now when we see the compound, this is the example of trans isomer. Chlorine are trans to each other. Now second example. In second example, same precursor we are taking. When reacts with ammonia, one chlorine is removed and ammonia attached here. Now when C2H4 reacts with it, we compare the trans effect of chlorine and ammonia. Since the trans effect of chlorine is more than ammonia, either this chlorine or this chlorine will be removed, and due to this we will get this compound. And you can see the compound. This is the example of cis isomer. So from the same precursor, by changing the order of ligands, we are getting trans isomer and cis isomer. In analytical applications, we can differentiate cis and trans isomers with the help of trans effect, and analytical applications are also known as Kornakov test. So we can understand this by this reaction. From the reaction between cis diamino dichloro platinum and thiourea, first we will get this compound where two ammonia molecules or ligands will be substituted by thiourea. On further reaction with thiourea, we will get this compound where all four ligands, means two ammonia and two chlorine ligands, are substituted by thiourea. That we can understand by this step. So in this substitution reaction, when we are taking cis isomer, here we have ammonia and these are chloro ligands. Since the trans effect of these two ligands are more than ammonia, so when we are taking two thiourea molecules, two ammonia will be replaced by thiourea. So we will get first compound, this first compound. So here now we will compare the trans effect of thiourea and chlorine. Trans effect of thiourea is higher than chlorine. So when further reaction proceed, these two chlorines will be replaced by thiourea and we will get this compound. So when we are taking cis isomer, we are getting this kind of compound where all four ligands are replaced by thiourea. And if we take trans isomer, so in trans isomer we can compare the trans effect of ammonia and chlorine. We know the trans effect of chlorine is much more than ammonia. So when thiourea attack in the substitution reaction, one chlorine will be substituted. So here thiourea gets attached over here. So we will get this compound. Now on further reaction with thiourea, what is happening here? The trans effect of thiourea is higher than chlorine. So chlorine will be labile, one more thiourea will come here. On further reaction with thiourea, we will not get anything different. So we can say reaction stops. Thus, if substitution takes place through only two thio groups, then the main substrate is trans isomer, and if during substitution reaction all four ligands are utilized, then substrate is cis isomer. In this way, cis and trans isomers can be identified by using trans effect. These are the references. Thank you.